Praise the Lord, guys. This is Sharon from the House of Prayer. Uh, Someone, Bayou Preacher, just sent me a video that I think you should watch. It is about the Canary Islands and possibly affecting Florida and the United States. So this is just a warning for you to watch it. And someone told me this morning also about other earthquakes and floods coming. But as soon as I have information concerning them, I will pass them on. But right now, this is what I have. You have a great day in the Lord, and God bless you. I love you so much.